Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the simulation process for the MC CAM, or should I say NC CAM, not MC, my apologies. And this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have short and easy to watch problem solving videos. We also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, we've covered quite a few things under the CAM and NC already. We've looked at the basic visual language. We've also looked at how to save and auto set up NC files. Now what we're going to be doing is looking at the actual simulation process, and this is mostly, not always, but mostly why you'll be using the NC tool is to actually run a simulation so you can see beforehand, before you set into the cutters, if everything is correct. So now in order to do that, I'm going to go to the CAM feature, and then we're going to hit the NC to go into the numerical simulator. And as we can see here, it is auto showing us what's going to be happening with the cutting process. So it's cutting the circle, and then on the left here we can see it updates the information as it does it. Now in my opinion, this is very satisfying. I can sometimes just sit here and watch the simulation through without having to speed it up or anything like that, because I don't know why, but it's quite satisfying. But yeah, otherwise this, like I mentioned, will be the actual simulation of the NC program. This is mostly why you'll be using it, and many times, so you can see how it runs through, and if there's any problems anywhere, you can kind of follow along and see where you don't like the process. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the actual simulation process. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.